We'll guide you through how to loop a video on your Instagram story. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Loop videos can go and look cool, so let me guide you through this. First of all, we need to head to the story camera page, so go to the bottom and click on the plus, then go and select story right at the bottom like so. So it's important to note that to go and do this, you have to be recording it now. You can't go and use one from your gallery. So go over to the left and go and click on the infinite icon. It looks like an 8 on its side, and that'll go and open up Boomerang. And Boomerang is how we can go and loop a video. So when you're ready, go and click on the shutter button and you can go and start recording. And when you go and record using a boomerang, it goes and loops it, as you can see. You can adjust this by going to the top and clicking on the infinite boomerang icon like so. And we've got classic, you've got slow-mo, echo, and duo as well. I'll just use the classic and you can press done. Of course, you can add text, stickers, and the other things.